Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change the administrator on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. First, click the Start button at the bottom left of your screen and select Settings. If you can't find it, simply search for Settings in the Start menu. Once you're in Settings, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. Now, select Other Users. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts on your computer. Find the user account you want to change to an administrator, and click on it. Next, click on Change Account Type. A pop-up window will appear, where you'll be able to change the account type from Standard User to Administrator. Once you've selected Administrator, click OK to confirm. And that's it. The selected user now has administrator privileges. If you want to remove administrator rights or switch the user back to a standard account, just repeat the same process and change the account type back to standard user. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.